part 8 of Shotgun Assault Rifle Survivor series. I've recorded, unfortunately, a whole session without audio, but I guess that's a process of learning and finding your mistakes and fixing them. So this, and I believe the next video, Course of the Mutants, unfortunately will not have any game sounds, but I hope the music will do at least. So I will not show the majority of the gangs that I wiped out in the core city, just kind of the main route I did as soon as I came into it. This mugger here sometimes has a pal. You can either throw a Molotov at him or a flashbang and close in. It's usually in that corner, so it could be one or two of them. I decided to be brave, just rush in. I mean, if anything, I can trap them. So. But yeah, you don't have to kill the zoners. There's no harm in doing it. They can be annoying depending on the quest you're doing. For example, if you live Cortec, you'll have a fight around here, and these two could get in the way. So, plus on normal experience mode, you have free XP. So, and some actually quite good loot. Now, right after this, gonna head into the area where the faceless digger is, and wipe out everything in there, then move over, do the Pacino. I mean, I kill Pacino, it doesn't matter who I'm playing for. It's just a refreshing fight when coming right out of Junkyard and Depot A. So there we go. Now, I was expecting I'll attract some attention, but wasn't expecting 3 of those guys, but it's a good opportunity. I mean, they're all lined up nicely. Might as well do it. Damage is definitely there. Yeah, you must remember, shotguns are super loud. I think one of the loudest guns in the game. I saw a table once, but I can't remember. I think 44 pistol is on par, or something like that. But yeah, as soon as you fire, you will attract a lot of attention. So you have to plan around that, really. Sometimes it's good, like in this case, but more often than not, it is not so great. Yeah, easy, just mop up really. Yeah, I usually set Faceless free and heal him up. I mean, for deep caverns. You want fewer enemies, especially the annoying ones like Gons, faceless Gons. They have very high stealth, thought control, and stabby knives. It's just a nightmare. I mean, I'm dominating in deep caverns, you have enough problems already. Might as well have less. So yeah, I favor going nicely with them. I mean, they're not hostile to me, so why the hell not? Yeah, and I'll be joining Praetorian Security. So, just gets to show you about the morality in this game, really. Yeah. Now these three guys are on the battle fire. They are really high level. So if you start messing around with them, better make sure you finish the job. They do pack a punch. Really. I mean, relying on the flashbang chance to stun, especially like tough melee fighters, is not ideal. There's a decent chance that they will resist. So, but I didn't want to get intimidated, because obviously that's a whole different bag of issues. And that would have happened had I just placed the bear trap down. Now for Joe Pacino. The thing is, at the very beginning of the engagement, there are a couple of guards, like for example this one in this room. They are standing kind of separated from the group. There's a bigger group of 4 people inside the main room. So because we're so loud, if we were quiet, we could just handle them easily. For example, fists or knives, almost any melee really, or thought control, or silence SMGs. Should be done, and no one's the wiser. But because we blast a big cannon in there, it is super loud, and we need to get out ASAP before they come in to investigate. Now here, I messed up, or lucked out really, He has quite a bit of health, 500 I believe, and I didn't manage to kill him in one turn, even with adrenaline. Oh, actually I didn't have adrenaline. I didn't wait out the cooldown, so really only had 2 shots. I don't have acceleration yet. So yeah, that attracted. I had to wait for the stun to wear off, and the next turn the gang arrived, and I was really unprepared to deal with all of them because they split up. Yeah, and poor throwing skill is bad. So there you go. Kill this guy. Now, if you switch off the power, it makes another one of them come over to switch it back on. There's a power box there on the wall. So I set up some traps for the guy coming over because I want to intercept him at that spot as I have to engage him stealthed, and I have to get out as well very quickly as soon as I kill him. There we go. And for the stairs. So now we wait out, reload, prepare, and go in for the main room. That is what you unfortunately have to do when you have when you make a lot of noise, basically killing them. And here, yeah, it was just a flashbang into my face instead of them. Well, you can see that's good. I put on the shield. Jesus, the throwing in this game is, I don't know, it's ridiculous to be honest. Okay, so idea is take them out one by one, leave Joey last, he's slow. So I can see how the damage can vary widely with short shotguns. I mean shotguns probably in general. You can get like no pellets hitting at all, and it's ridiculous. But sometimes you can blast for like 400 damage. You know, I'm not entirely sure that percentages in this game work as they should. Too many 95%ers I had like missing in a row, and if you know maths, chance for that is stupendously low, super rare. Now, I didn't know at the time that this crossing that he just went from, yeah, is 2 tiles wide, and I placed a trap on the wrong tile. So he just went through it. I definitely wasn't prepared for it. So now I'm fatigued after adrenaline worn off. Yeah, I just need to make some distance. He's very slow. He's not an issue really. Just need to get the fatigue off me. Now it's gone, but I still got, I think, 1 round of cooldown on quick tinkering. And yeah, as he closes in, we'll trap him up and shoot him up. It's easy enough. I mean, he has actually quite a strong shield. Mine is gone. I cannot deal with him like face on, so I don't do it. Just kite him up a bit. We've got traps, and we're sorted. Now, next level, or the level after this one, I'll have an electric trap as well, which will make it unbelievably easy to deal with single targets. So yeah, that's it, it's done. You can always play it safe, you know, get a few levels, get a better throwing, make it more reliable, but this build can do it this early on, so why the hell not? And that is that. Thank you for watching. Next video will be Core City Mutants. Unfortunately no audio again, but yeah, we'll get through it quickly. Thank you. See you next time.